Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface if you've got one of these Boss Audio Systems aftermarket stereos installed. So first, make sure your vehicle is powered on, which this currently is. And then from here, we'll access the hands-free Bluetooth settings. And then there's a limited number of phones you can have saved, so you might need to delete a phone first. But we'll go to settings and then Bluetooth, and then make sure it can auto connect and all these sort of things. But with these activated, we'll now go to your device, make sure you've got Bluetooth powered on, which that's what this symbol is, and then you can usually push and hold to get to your pairing menu. So we'll look for pairing, and then we're going to look for your device name, which we did see pop up here. Sometimes this might take a few tries, but it's asking us to verify these numbers match, which they do. So I'll pair, and then yes, and then we should be paired up now. So now you should be able to take calls and whatnot through the car. You can listen to your phone music, all those types of things. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.